Hello, hello, hello. This is Pam Belders, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you live at 8 on October the 20th. I was going to say 27th, the 20th, because the 27th I will not be here. I will be out of town. I will be out of town. I will be in Hawaii. So I don't know if I'll jump on, probably not at 8 o'clock, but I could go live. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but I don't think I'll be making any cards. But anyway, here I am. I just wanted to come on here and make a quick card with the new ephemera packs, and I just found something out, or I discovered something that makes it easy to take them out of the little pack. So I'm going to show you that first, then make this quick card, and then hop off. They still do have the 30% off our kit collection right now, and the starter special. If you want to just be a kit hog, you do not have to sell anything, but you get $155 worth of product for only $99. So if you're interested in either one of those, let me know. Okay, so let me get started. I'm going to turn my camera around. There's the specials again. Okay, so with this ephemera packs, I'm going to show y'all something. What I just did, I was trying to get a page from the back out, and I thought, oh, I'll just take this part out. So that's what I did. And so I was going to show you briefly how I did it. So I just pulled it out of the case, and so now it's easier to see what's in there and to pull something out. And so what I'm using for the card that I'm making tonight is the happy birthday, which I think I already took that one. See, it's already gone. Happy birthday. And then I took a flower, and I took it from the back too. And it is this one right here. Hey, Ramona. And so the question is, and I'm going to do it a Highland Heather. And I did this I already cut this for us, so it'll be easier. So it's at 8.5 by 5.5. So this is 8.5 by 11 page, and I cut it basically in half. That's how that works. Again, thank y'all for watching me live or replay. I'm going to go ahead and burnish this, or score and burnish this card, because I didn't actually score it, so I'm burnishing it here, there. So here's the question. Uh-oh. Sorry, I can't. So my question is, do I color this, and which should be the background? Because I was going to kind of do this and that. I think I was inspired by the World Card Making Day, this one. And it looks like they almost cut that off a little bit. But I don't want to use that background. Where's the leaves? Oh, maybe I can find the leaves in here. Let's look. Let's see if I can find the leaves in here. Let's see. These offender packs are great. I'm thinking some people that want to make a quick and easy card, I won't mention any names, Kathleen, might like that. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so there's one page. And these are basically, I guess, die cut. I mean, they're already die cut for you and, cut and colored and all that jazz. Well, some of them are not colored, so that's the cool thing. Okay, so I think we're going to grab these leaves right here, just so we can kind of match that. And let's grab one more. And then see, there's another pack. Alrighty. And then see, here's another little page. Another page. So I guess you get two of each. the little ephemera ones. And then there's this one. And that one again. We'll put that front and the back. Then I'm going to see if I can get this back in here, which I think I can. So I can store it in this pack without getting it, leaving it, open in somewhere. So look at there. I got it all back in there, and there we go. So there's that. So the question is, to color or not to color? And which paper? This. I really like this. I just don't know if the green will go good with that. Yes? No? Ooh, maybe. Maybe. And make this a bright, ooh, maybe that color, like a red. Ooh, that does look like it'd be pretty, right? What do you think? Thumbs up? Hey, Lisa, how's it going? What do you say? Red? How about a red? Or Poppy Parade, maybe? Let's see what actually comes in this little... Oh, and this paper is, I believe it's still online exclusive. I believe it is. It's a Splendid Autumn. So what are the colors that go with it? A Sure Afternoon, Balmy Blue, Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Crushed Curry, Fresh Fuchsia, Garden Green, Moody Mauve, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pumpkin Pie, and Wild Wheat. So, I don't know. I mean, what color is that little red? Cherry Cobbler? No, see, I just think that maybe, I mean, I'd love to do it purple, but I think that'd be just too much purple. What do y'all think? Let me see if I can read. So hard to decide, yeah. Thanks, Ramona. Why don't we go with, um, what's this one? Is this Poppy Parade? Poppy Parade. What do y'all think? Does that work? Does that work? That kind of goes, right? Thumbs up? Yes? No? What do y'all think? Poppy Parade for the flower? Or should I just leave it like that? Accent it out. I kind of want to Poppy Parade it. Just pop out the big flower. What do y'all think? And then I guess if I don't like this, I can always use the other one I have, right? I'm using Poppy Parade Light Blend. I went and labeled every single one of mine. So I know what color it is without having to strain my eyes to look. I'm thinking this is gonna work. What do y'all think? So here we go. There we go. Just like that. Then we're going to take, I think I'm going to cut this down. Kind of want it right there with that. Because see, if I do it like this, it's going to cover up all that. So I want to cut on this side off, right? What do y'all think? Let me get my cutter. So we're going to cut this side. So I'm going to turn it around because I'm kind of a snicky about that. And we'll do that at 4.5. Let's see, what is this measure like that? I should know. It's 4.25. So about 4.25. So I need to make it about 4 because I like a border. I don't know why. I just always have since I've been making these cards. So 4. We'll make it at 4 here. And then I have to cut the bottom off, which is going to be 5.5, I think. If I turn this ruler around the right way, 5.5. So we're going to make it 5.25. Okay. Got that out of the way. I'm going to make this pop, pop, pop. Then, put this happy birthday on. You know what? I'm going to dimension up this happy birthday. If I can find some dimensionals here. Oh, let's do the minis. If I can find some minis. And my stack of everything. Minis. Here's some minis. Since these may have come from a paper pumpkin. Okay. Don't forget to push these little things in so you can pull the labels off. Oh no. There we go. Sometimes these things pull off the sticky with it, so I want to make sure it didn't. Okay, there we go on that. And then we'll have to intertwine those like that. I'm going to put this on here, but we're not going to put it on there just quite yet because I want that to show. I think I want to do it about like that. What do y'all think? Like that? So let's glue that down with some, well, yeah, let's just use this glue. Okay, so we've got that. And we're going to glue it down about where we want it. About right there. Is that good? Yeah, I think so. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this part off. The part we're not going to use. On the back here. Ooh, oh, that was perfect. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to pick up the trash. The cutter out of the way. Now I'm going to turn this over and glue this on, which I'm going to use a tape runner. And I'm using this just easier because the other one I have problems with sometimes, so that's why I'm using this one. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put the flowers in there. The piece in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got issues. I got issues. I'm not going to be able to do it. Okay, so I'm going to leave those out. We're just going to do it like this. Cut those out and everything and didn't even use them. Oh well, that's okay. Alright, so then we're going to do some happy birthday in here and boom, we're done. What do you think? Pretty cool? I mean, I guess it did need these in there. I don't think it did. I think I I think I made a wise decision. I was going to use them, but since I wanted to pull this out with that, I wanted to make it pop like that. So there we go. There is my card for tonight, and with using the ephemera and the Splendid Autumn card pack, which is 6x6 paper, which I believe is online. So I use this offender pack, which is fully flowered, which is in the catalog, and saying something offender pack. So there we go. And I will post this picture a little bit later. I've got to get some more stuff done for my trip. So anyway, thank y'all for watching me live or replay, and like and share my video. And don't forget, yeah, because actually when I come back, I will do my next drawing for the month of October, but I will not do it until I come back after the 4th. Yes, and so with that being said, if you have any videos that you have seen but you haven't shared from October the 6th, the 13th, or the 20th, go share those videos again and make sure you write shared and in that video, and I will go check it out, and then I'll add that name, your name, um, to the pot for the drawing that I'll have my husband draw when he thinks I'm going to draw his hand. I don't know if y'all saw that video. That was hilarious. But anyway, I digress. Okay, well, I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching me. Bye.